Hello everyone and welcome to Veganise Anything. Today we will take a look at how to make succulent, crispy, vegan, beer-battered fish fillets. So, if you ever wondered how to make fishless, chipless fish and chips, keep watching. Before we start with the batter, take one nori sheet and shred it. The rest of the ingredients are pretty much pantry essentials, and you can see them all up on the screen. Now, put the flour in a bowl and add 1 teaspoon baking powder. Followed by adding 1 tablespoon shredded nori sheet, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon onion powder, half a teaspoon garlic powder, half a teaspoon pepper, and mix it all together. Add about 200 milliliters of your finest lager and whisk it all properly together. Set it aside and go grab your aubergine. Cut off the end and peel it. Cut it into thirds and slice it. Not too thinly though. Now, put all your aubergine slices into the batter, coat it properly, and leave it in the fridge for about 20 minutes, before we start frying it. Prepare a large pan or a skillet and heat up some oil. When hot, fill it up with your buttered aubergine and fry it evenly on both sides until it's nice, crispy, golden brown. Take it out and use a paper towel to get rid of the excess oil. So, we are done for now, we can get ready to serve. Put your favorite condiments on a plate along with your succulent, freshly fried beer-battered fillets. I know I said chipless, but if you want, add fries or any of your favorite sides and dig in. All the spices we used for the batter added this unique, balanced blend of flavors. And the crisp on these fillets, this takes it even further. So, we are fairly sure that you will like these beer-battered vegan fish fillets even more than anything else. And this has brought us to the end of the video. Be sure you subscribed, like and share with your friends and family. You can also let us know how it turned out for you in the comments down below. And as always, don't forget that you can veganize anything. Enjoy while it's still fresh and crispy, and we'll see you next week.